Think he bumping. You don't turn that shit off. Nigga, that's what beat's supposed to be like. Nigga don't even know. I should just start beating on his ass. Turn that shit off. Too cool. Nigga about to blow his speakers out. Turn that raggedy shit off. The fuck wrong with your radio? Sound like he got Smurfs tap dancing on his trunk. Yes, thank you. Finally got some damn sense. One of them old school players.